Phil and Sally, your entrance is absolutely phenomenal. What is the orange stone that we're seeing as we're coming in?
So that's rammed earth, so made on site. It's like making sandstone on site. So it's a very, very old material, been around for thousands of years.
Well, it's phenomenal. I thought it was concrete. Mel thought it was stone.
Yeah.
Are there thermal benefits to having the rammed earth?
Thermal mass, which means it retains the heat, and in the summer it actually deflects it. So yeah, it's not only stylish, it's also very eco-friendly.
Guys, what was your initial dream with this home? Like, how did you come up with the concept, the design?
So it's a 2-level home. We live upstairs, but we always wanted an oasis, a place for people to come and heal, recover, rest. And so this downstairs area is for that to happen. And we've been here 12 months and we've had a lot of people come through and stay.
And you've got some extremely stylish, polished concrete floors. Does that get a bit cold on the toe?
It can be cold, but we actually have hydronic heating underneath. So in wintertime, it is just beautiful. It's so warm to walk on, and also that heat from downstairs here goes upstairs, so that generally we don't need to turn on any heating upstairs.
And it's also run off the solar, so we sort of heat it up during the day from 11 till about 3, and then that stores energy as heat, and then that gets released during the night, and then the next day we heat it up again, and that's all free.
And it almost looks like the home's about to fly away as well, with these beautiful raked
with
ceilings.
The wings.
Yes.
With the wings.
Yeah. We wanted a nod to mid-century. We didn't want to slavishly follow mid-century, but we liked the butterfly roofs and the fine lines, but I haven't seen a mix before where they've done the Alucobond, the fine lines of the roof and the rammed earth. That's something that we haven't seen, but we think works really, really well.
I've also noticed, obviously there are a lot of windows up here. How do you go with keeping the home cool and warm? Does it retain the heat or does it sort of let it go?
The windows are really important because, as you've said, there's so much glass here, which we needed for the views and the light. But they're UPVC, and they're PVC frames and double glazed. And the reason we love them is they're just so easy to maintain. My rule was, if I can't pressure clean it, I don't want it in the house, or outside of the house. Rammed earth excluded. PVC is a better thermal barrier than aluminium, and they're really quiet because they've really good sort of over-centre locking closing on the opening windows. And on the big ones, you can open them all the way up. And there's some screens which go across which you can't even see.
Well, you've probably got my dream home in terms of looking out over the water, but your kitchen is Mel's.
Oh, I'm obsessed with the kitchen. Black is my colour. It ties in well. And the bench top. Have you seen the size of that bench top?
So what do you like about the kitchen, Mel? Is it the bench top?
No, I just love it all. I love a big black kitchen. Like ties in with the white and the stone. And the timber, I just can't stop looking at it, to be honest.
Simple is best.
Simple. I'm nice and simple, minimalistic. That's how I roll.
Yeah.
Phil and Sally, we cannot thank you enough for showing us your magnificent home. You've certainly given Mel and I a lot to think about. We're going to take it all in, particularly the sustainability aspect, and we're going to let the homeowners know and give them the best advice as well for their renovations.
Check out this succulent garden with this amazing sculpture. I
It
love
works so well. Contrast to the blue stone, the black butt. The pool is absolutely beautiful. How green does the grass look against the rammed earth?
It looks amazing with that veggie garden. I need some tips, man. I've got to get a lot of tips.
Yeah, Sally has got the
And
garden
then the
going
view,
so
look
well.
at that. Seriously. All right.
Have you been making a list?
I was about to say, I need a checklist of all the great ideas that we can take from this house.
Recycle all the water off the roof. Massive solar system. They're pretty much off. They got paid $17. They're off the grid.
So you've written it all down, babe?
It's your job to take notes.
No, seriously, it's your job. Come on. You're good at this.
No, that's your job, Mel.
Oh, seriously, I have to do it all, don't I?
Yes, you do.
Oh, whatever.
I'm glad you're realising.